Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In the days of ignorance, the life of the Arabs was mostly spent in fighting and bloodshed on that day. The women and girls were taken captive, and taken by those who won these wars. And seizing their wealth was considered normal. The atmosphere of Hejaz was full of looting and plundering, gambling and other moral evils. For then, honor and courage had no meaning in the war other than ruthlessness and cruelty. They showed extreme cruelty and buried their daughters alive. Mecca was the place from where caravans passed, where tribal chiefs and merchants make money through theft, and persecuted their subordinates and slaves. There was no hope and no religion to guide the wrongdoers to the right path. There was no one to help the oppressed people of Mecca. The Kaaba, which was built thousands of years ago by Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail on the command of God, was transformed into a place containing 360 idols of different tribes. In such unfortunate circumstances, the last prophet of God, Muhammad, appeared to be a righteous prophet for humanity, a great reformer and a model for all human societies. At the peak of the high mountains in the northern part of Mecca is a small cave called Cave of Hira. Before prophethood, Muhammad used to worship his Lord in this cave. He was on the religion of Prophet Ibrahim. Like his forefathers, he also did not accept idols as God. Muhammad used to sit alone in the presence of God in this cave, away from the noise of Mecca for a month every year. He was 40 years old when angels came to him in the same cave with revelation. They gave Holy Prophet the glad tidings of prophethood and recited some verses of the Quran whose every word reflected the divine light. Read in the name of our Lord who created. Later, for this reason, the mountain was named Mount of Light. The divine light was shining on his heart like a transparent fountain. The Holy Prophet descended from the Cave of Hira. On one hand, the responsibility imposed on the Messenger of God and his passion. On the other hand, its importance led the Prophet to experience the rare moments of his life. Lady Khadija, the wife of the Holy Prophet, saw you in this condition at the moment because tears were flowing and said,
"What a surprising news! May God, the Merciful, grant you success on this difficult path on which you are walking."